Hello student, today we are going to see what is resultant force on the each charge. Okay, it is a NCERT example problem in a physics class 12. Okay, so it's for class 12. It's a very important problem. Okay, they asked what is the net force on the each charge. So first we will see what is a it is a force formula. It's a Coulomb's law. F is equal to K times of Q1 Q2 divided by R square. It's Coulomb's law. Okay. Here they asked what is the net force acting on each charge. There are three charges Q, Q, minus Q. It is plus Q at the placed A, plus Q I placed at A, minus Q I placed at the point of B. Okay. So they asked what is the net force acting on the each charges. Okay. First we will see what is the force acting on the each charge, then we will see what is the net force acting. A point plus B point plus C point minus. Okay, it is the equilateral triangle. All the charge it's placed at the end of the edge of the equilateral triangle. Okay, the length of triangle will be L, L, L. Now we will see how many force is acting around this. Okay, I am taken at the point of A. So A charge, it is A, B, C. So the force is created at the A. Plus plus will get ripple from the B. Okay, the force 1 is created due to B, because both is a plus, it will get repulsion. Okay, the same way B also is getting repelled from A. So it's going to be, I am going to give as a F3. Okay, you can name it yourself whatever term you want. Okay, then only it's very easy to solve. Don't follow the book, otherwise you will need to memorize some of the terms. Okay, so then plus and minus, it's getting attracted, the force due to the C, it will get attracted, the force will be creating this side. I am taken as a F2. Okay, F2 will be acting this side. Now the same way in a C charge, how the force will be created, it is negative, A is positive, it will get attracted by A. So F5 I am taken, and this side also it's getting attracted, F6 I am taken, this side I am taken as a F4. Okay, there are 6 force will be acting. They don't want how many force is acting, they want resultant force. Okay, first is F1 is this side because it's getting repelled from B. F2 as this side because it's getting attracted with C. Okay, and in this plus one repulsion will be there, one attraction will be there. Okay, in this minus, this side will be attraction, this side will be attraction. Okay, now we will see the angle. It is equilateral triangle, it's 60 degree. Angle A 60, angle B 60, angle C 60. Okay, right now where will be the resultant force? So where will be the resultant force? We will be solving with one by one equation. Okay, so first I will start from point of A. See here, it is a point of A. Okay, F1 will be this side, F2 will be this side. Okay, so this angle will be 60 degree. So remaining angle will be 120 degree. So this is an angle of 120 degree. F1 will be this side, F2 will be this side. The resultant will be this side, which is going to call as a F1. Okay, capital it is we will take it roll number 1, F1. Okay, it is a point of A. First we will see what is the net force is created at the point of A. At point of A, net force is equal to question mark. Okay, now we will see how much force is created. So I am going to use the parallelogram law of vector, because resultant between two vector we can use the parallelogram law of vector. Resultant is equal to root of p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. This is a parallelogram law of vector formula. In 11th standard we learned this formula. Okay, right now we are going to see resultant force in a first charge. Okay, A charge. Okay, P is going to be F1 square, Q is going to be F2 square plus 2 times of F1 F2 cos 120 degree. This what will get final value. Okay, now we have to do the solution for this. Before going to the solution, you need to know what is F1, what is F2. So it is a point of plus, F1 will be this side. Okay, it's created due to this positive. Okay, at the length of L distance. So if you want F1, Coulomb's law, 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, it is Q, it's present at A, Q another charge present at B, Q1, Q2 divided by distance between these two charges is going to be L. Okay, so it's going to be L square. F1 will be like this. What about F2? F2 we got because of negative. Okay, so it's getting attracted this side F2. So now we will see F2. F2 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So Q, it is from A. It is Q1, it's from A. Q2 it's from C. Okay, don't take it negative. because vector quantity no need to take it as a negative, only direction you can indicate. Okay. Scalar quantity you can take it as a negative term. So, finally, I got F1 is equal to F2, both the force is equal. Now, the resultant solution as already discussed, F1 in case it's become F2, so what will be happen? F1 is equal to F2, in this case F1 is equal to F2, the resultant is equal to root of F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 times of F1, F2. Instead of writing cos 120, you can write 90 plus 30. Reason, we don't know what is 120 degree value. Okay. So, you can write like this. So, now F1 is equal to F2, no, we will get F1 plus F2, it is going to be 2 times of F1 square plus 2 times of F1 square cos 120, 90 plus 30 we can write as a minus sin 30 degree. Cos 90 plus theta is going to be sin theta, it is a trigonometry formula. Okay. So, finally, the resultant which is going to be force in a first particle, it is a Q1 charge, it is going to be 2 F1 square minus 2 times of F1 square into sin 30, it is going to be 1 by 2, 2 to get cancelled. Finally, we will get the net charge, net force, it is created at the point of A. It is going to be F capital 1 I am given, it is going to be root of 2 F1 square minus F1 square, which is going to be it is root of F1 square is equal to F1. So, force 1 is equal to force 2. So, resultant force will get as a F. Okay. So, this side force is F2, this side force I am taken F1, the resultant is going to be equal to F1. Okay. So, F1 or F2, the resultant, either of this answer. Okay. Now, we will see at the B how much is producing. Okay. So, actually in initial case I am taken as a F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, 6 force we are taken. Actually all the force is equal. Okay. It is going to be F, because we are not going to take it as a negative sign, only we are going to take it as a negative as a positive. So, everything is going to become as 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q square divided by L square. It is the common value for all the force, F force. Okay. Right now, we are going to see at B side, at B point how much force is creating. This side is going to be F3, this side is going to be F4. This angle will be 120 degree. Okay. Here also if F3 is equal to F4, all the force will be equal. Okay. No need to take it as a negative charge as a negative, because it is a vector quantity. Okay. F3 is equal to F4. So, this 2 is equal, same parallelogram law of vector I am using, or is equal to F capital 2, this time I am taken as a resultant as a capital 2, F Roman letter 2. So, it is going to be root of F3 square plus F4 square plus 2 times of F3, F4 cos 120 degree. Again we got the same value. Okay. So, F3 is equal to F4, F3 is equal to F4. So, this 2 is equal means we will get the resultant force of this 2 is going to be 2 times of F3 square plus 2 times of F3 square, it is going to be cos 90 plus 30, same, because it is a 120 degree, the similar equation only. Okay. So, now we got F roll number 2, second force, it is going to be at the point of B, 2 times of F3 minus we will get as 2 times of F3 sin 30, sin 30 is going to be 1 by 2. So, we will get root of 2 F3 minus F, we will get F3 square, we will get answer as F3 whole square square root. Okay. F3 whole square root, we will get as the F3 as the answer. Okay. Now, I will show the again the diagram. See, this what we have the diagram. So, this side F3 is acting, this side F3 is acting, and this side F4 is acting. The resultant will be this side, which is going to be F capital number 2 I am taken. Okay. Which is equal to F3. Already I told F3, F4, F5, everything is equal, which is called F. Okay. Now, in the single triangle, in equilateral triangle, okay, how the force is created, no. So, first we will see A and B, A and B. Okay. In between these two, F1 will created, F1 is created, which is equal to F. F is equal to F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, anything. Okay. Like this, in between here we will get f roll number 2, which is also equal to f. Okay. So, now we got A and B, what is a force is created. Now, we are going to be the C, what is a force is created at the point of C, okay, the last side of the triangle. Okay. So, F5 and F6 is created, F5 and F6 is created, F5 and F6 we are taken. Actually, F5 F6 will be equal. The angle between these two is going to be 60 degree. The resultant will be acting as the this side, which is going to be called F roll number 3. It's a third force, net force acting in a charge at C. Okay. Same I am using as a parallelogram vector. F3 is equal to root of F5 square plus F6 square plus 2 times of F5 x6 cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree will get as a 1 by 2. So, we will get F5 F6 is equal means which is going to be F5 square 2 times of F5 square, because this 2 is equal, plus 2 times of F5 square because it is equal into cos 60 will be 1 by 2, like that we will get. Okay. Now, solution for this is equal to root of F5 square whole square plus 2 to get cancel, we will get as a F5 square. It is going to be 3 times of F5 square, 3 times of F5 square, it is 3 times of F5 square whole square will get as a root 3 F5. So, already I said F5 is equal to F, okay, which is going to be root of 3 into F is equal to F roll number 3. So, finally, I will show again the diagram what we did. In a triangle, a equilateral triangle, what is the resultant force is acting, that is a question mark. Okay. So, this side will be F5 I am taken, this side will be F6 I am taken, the resultant will be root 3 times of F will get. Okay. F1 and F2 will be equal, that is going to be F. F3 is going to be root 3 times of F. So, we will have F capital 1, it is going to be F, F capital 2 which is going to be F, but F capital 3 which is going to be root 3 times of F. Thank you.